Hello, good morning to all my friends at the German-Pakistan Chamber of Commerce and all our friends in Germany. I have the honor to tell you a little bit about my company, Rastgar and Company, because we have been instrumental in bringing famous German air compressor brands, what we call Luft compressor into Pakistan. First we brought in Alup, then we brought in BOGE, and then we brought in CompAir. And these brands, we promoted them in Pakistan, and now they have been selling successfully in Pakistan since 1980 for Alup and then BOGE and CompAir. Right now, we have our own brand, Sky Air Compressor, which is also sourced from Germany and selling very successfully in Pakistan. Other than this, we also created the Asian Institute of Industrial Air, which is a non-profit from Rastgar Group, and also imparting very valuable industrial related trainings, particularly in air compressors, but also for other machinery. And we have made this platform for our German friends who can bring any kind of machinery to Pakistan and train the local manpower through our institute, Asian Institute of Industrial Air, generally known as AIIA. Here you have the website for it. Also, since I have been trading with Germany since 1980, and I made some very intimate relationships with German SMEs, and we brought them a lot of business from Pakistan, and got to know how the German SMEs operate and how they conquer the world through their excellent products and marketing strategies. And as a result of that, I have written this book, How German SMEs Do It, Globalpreneurship. And this is a gist of all my working with Germany, and many of my friends would be interested in reading this book. And its link is given below, and you can buy it on Draz and also on Amazon. So thank you very much, and I am looking forward to more work with German companies. Thank you very much.